Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to rename a list in the Booking app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Booking app. And here it opens up in the search menu. From here we just go into the saved menu. And then tap on the list that we want to rename. There are 3 dots next to its name. Tap on that, then rename, and here we can just correct the name to whatever we want to. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.